Welcome to the call, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark, and I'm very excited to be your presenter over the next few minutes. We're going to talk about a phenomenal, disruptive, innovative car membership club that is changing lives in Europe and the United States. It has already started, but you're absolutely here at the right time. We're going to take about 15, 20 minutes at the most to break this down for you, to give you all the facts and all the details so you know exactly what is available here to help you and your family get to the next level. So again, I'd like to welcome you to MyCarClub.com. It's all about getting behind the wheel of our dream cars. So now, what is MyCarClub? It is a subscription-based club membership with referral incentives. It may require significant effort and dedication to achieve success, and results may vary based on various factors, including your individual effort. Furthermore, we do not guarantee the success of any individual, nor does the company make any promises or representations about the potential earnings or profits. Any earnings or income statements made by the company or any of its affiliates are solely for informational purposes only and are not guarantees of actual earnings. With that said, let's get right into it. So we're talking about an exclusive car membership club, ladies and gentlemen, that has benefits. The first thing that happens that you'll be familiar with is that you'll be able to access a membership card. So we have a basic membership card and also a platinum card for those members who subscribe for an entire year. But this platform and this membership is primarily about three different things. One of them is about education, because car transportation is so expensive these days. They're so technical, so many computers in them. It's very important that we know how to take care of them and how to maintain them to save costs when it comes to repairs. And so this information is, sent to us by way of car newsletters, weekly newsletters. We'll learn different things such as how to shop for the best insurance, how to get the best auto repair shop to do your repairs for you. How to shop, what's the best ways to shop for a car should you decide that you want to do that, and other things relating to transportation. Also, we'll be able to get discounts on car-related shows and events such as the car shows and maybe the races and things like that. And also there is merchandise that will be available to us, and there'll be discounts on that merchandise as well. The company also offers, as part of this membership, workshops such as detailing, how to perform certain repairs on your car, so that you can get the most life out of those vehicles that we spend so much for. And then, of course, there's other trainings as well, all related to cars and car management. But that's just the beginning. There's some other new member enhancements that have recently come out, including a QR code landing page that's available in your back office. You can use that to share this with others. The thing you'll understand about this program, this is all about word of mouth. It's the form of word of mouth advertising. We're all familiar with that. In addition to that, the company has released a new app that's available in the Play Store right now, and very soon it will be available in the Apple Store. And that's literally a business in a box. It gives you the ability to manage your back office and also to promote this amazing membership club. You'll be able to do that with the touch of a finger on your phone. And coming very soon is the MyCarClub Visa card, which will enable you to load it with your earnings. You can go out there and shop, access cash, and do all the things that you normally would do with a debit card. So that's what you get as part of your membership, ladies and gentlemen. And more details about the Visa card, that is kind of separate. There is a charge for that, but there'll be more details concerning that during our Wednesday trainings, which are held, of course, every Wednesday. So now we're talking about the opportunity for you and I to access a luxury car. But in addition to that, we can also earn monthly residual income. Let's talk about it. So now you may say, well, Mark, what does it take to get started? Well, the normal account setup fee is $165, but right now we have a founder's discount, a savings of $55. That means that will be a total of $110, and you also pay your first month subscription upfront. So getting started, you're talking about $140, $145 for you to get started. You can pay with a debit, credit card. You can pay with crypto as well. Now, if you sign up for a one-year membership, which makes you a platinum member, and platinum has benefits, ladies and gentlemen, then you save money because you get 1 year of membership for the cost of 11 months. So you like saving money, that's the way that you can do that, as well as get those additional benefits that come along with being a platinum member. So now, what's so interesting about this is that All you have to do here, ladies and gentlemen, when you get that car is fuel it up, charge it up, and drive. We're talking about a luxury car of your choice worth approximately $40,000. It could be brand new. It could be certified pre-owned, such as the one that I was given. Now, everything is all inclusive here. The insurance is paid for, maintenance is paid for, road tax and breakdown coverage, that's all paid for by the company. It's all inclusive. Now, if you live in a country, for example, where it's difficult to get a car to you because of laws and regulations, well, you can receive $1,000 a month. Even if you live in the United States, and let's say you don't need a car, you could take the $1,000 a month. Or let's just say you already have a car loan, you can earn that $1,000 a month in our program and use it to pay that car loan off faster, potentially saving yourself thousands of dollars in interest. So a lot of ways that you can interface with this program. So let's talk about what it takes to get a car. So the first thing that you need to do to qualify for a car is personally refer at least 3 members to our membership program. We're going to call them A, B, and C. Now, the great thing is that when you do that, you are beginning to build a team based on 3, everybody referring 3. And when we do that just a few times, ladies and gentlemen, we are able to build 3 teams of 40. When you have 3 teams of 40, that equals 120 members. Guess what? You're now qualified to get the car. The way I look at it, we're looking for 3 people who are really passionate about getting a car or saving on their car expenses, or someone maybe who is an influencer or maybe even a marketer. And these are our 3 leaders, and we want to build those teams. It makes it very simple to be able to do so. So when you have 120 subscribers, you become what we call a champion club member, and that qualifies you for a luxury car. So the most credits that you can get per team is 40 subscribers. All right. Now, by the way, you can refer as many people as you want direct to yourself, 100, 50, it doesn't matter. However you get the 120, it works. We just believe that this is the most effective way to do it. All right, so let's talk about the fast track bonus, because while you're building this community, guess what? You're also earning money. In fact, every person that you refer, you earn a $55 direct bonus. So you'll get that with all of those 3 that we talked about. And if you do it within the first 30 days, ladies and gentlemen, you will earn a fast track bonus of $110. What does that mean? A lot of our members are doing it right now. They're referring 3 members in their first day. That's $275. You're already in profit and you are looking good. So you're really excited. So I want you to think about this. If you refer just 3 people a day, that would be $165. If you did that 5 times a week, that would be over $800, just equivalent to a full-time salary. That's what's possible if you simply share the program with others. And the way we do it is by word of mouth, text message, email, and social media. It is not complicated at all. We're talking to people all the time about all kinds of other things. Now we have the way to show them how to save a ton of money when it comes to their transportation costs. Now, in addition to getting the car, guess what? You can also get residual income. So in addition to those direct payments and the car, you can also get residual income. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. So we know to get the car, you need to build a team of 120 members, right? Well, but when that team grows to 240 members, not only do you have the car, you get $1,500 a month in residual income. And as that team continues to grow to 360 members, you go from $1,500 a month to $4,000 a month. And as it grows to 480 subscribers, now you go from 4,000, 7,000, and then to 10,000 when you have built a team of 600 subscribers. So you've got the car, you've got the direct commissions coming in, and now you've got the residual income. But here's the thing I want you to know, that's not it. There's actually more to that, and we're going to get to it in just a moment. Now, for those people who may be, really slow in qualifying for the car, the company has created a win-win situation. You win anyway. It's called the no claim bonus. We also call it the vacation savings plan, because through this bonus, you can reduce your qualification to 50% when you stay with the program for 5 years. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this. So we know that, you want to refer and build this community of 120 members. It's not you by yourself. It's us working together. We talked about it earlier. When we work together in support of one another, there's nothing that we can accomplish. That is our strength. You can also call it leverage, right? So we get the car through leverage. But here's the thing, when you stay in the community for at least 2 years, you have a choice. You can take an all expensive paid vacation, or you can reduce your subscribers required to get the car to 99. That's your choice. Or if you stay with the program for 3 years, guess what? You can take an even better all expense paid vacation, or your requirement also lowers to 90. All right, 4 years, an even better vacation, and 5 years, a vacation for a couple. So we have a lot of couples that are joining together. So at the end of that 2 years, they can take that vacation together. Now, I've got a little short video here that explains this in detail. It's only 1 minute long. Let's go ahead and watch this video.
MyCarClub.com No Claim Bonus. No Claim Bonus is designed to create a win-win scenario for people who have not yet achieved the car bonus. If you have not qualified for the car by the end of year 2, the company gives you 2 options. You can either take a holiday or qualify for the car with just 99 people instead of 120. The good part is that even when you take holiday, you don't lose the people you have signed up with in your team. Just that criteria remains 120. Upon completion of year 3, the company gives you 2 options again. You can either take a luxury holiday or reduce the criteria further and get your car with just 90 people. It gets even easier. At the end of year 4, you can qualify for a car with 78 people only, or take a resort holiday. Finally, at the end of year 5, you can either get a holiday for 2 or reduce your criteria to just 50%. That means you can qualify for your luxury car by just referring 1 person a month, 60 people in 60 months. And this means almost everyone can qualify for a car.
All right, all right. So simple, yet very powerful. And so let's just say you with this slow track, and let's just say it took you 5 years in order to qualify for a car. That would still be good, wouldn't it? Or if it took you 4 years or 3 years or 2 years or 1 year, and let's just say it even took you 6 months, wouldn't it be worth it? Absolutely. And so what I want you to see here is that if you personally refer just 1 person a month for 60 months, you can still get a car. And if you don't want the car, you can take one of those great vacations. Now, I was telling you that this compensation model actually gets better than just $10,000 a month in residual income. It has what's known as matching bonuses. So when you get to that level, it's called Champion 100, and you're earning $10,000 a month, guess what? You are also qualified to earn matching commissions on anyone that gets to Champion 40. That means that they are earning $40,000 a month. $4,000 a month, and they are in your team. All right. And if there is no Champion 10 between Champion 100 between you and them, guess what? You get that 50% match. And let's say that you are the Champion 100 and you have a Champion 70 in your team. There's no one in between you, no Champion 100 in between you. You get half of what they get. They get 7,000, you get 3,500. And if you are, a Champion 100 making that $10,000 a month, and someone else in your team reaches that level, guess what? You get that 50% match, which is $5,000. So these bonuses are for the big leaders out there, or those of you who have big goals as to what you want to do in the area of your finances. All right. Now, let me tell you this, because it gets even better. Once you become a Champion 100, meaning that you're earning that 10,000 residual income, you can actually start over again, back at the champion level, where you refer an additional 120 members. When you do that, guess what? You get a second car, ladies and gentlemen. So you're already getting to 10,000, but because you started over again, you're getting a second car. Now you have a choice here. You can have 2 cars, or you can, get 1 car valued at the total of the 2 cars. We're talking about potentially a supercar. So this is a program that literally gives you the ability to drive your dream car, even if it is a supercar, and that's what you want. All right. Also, as you continue to move up the levels in that second position you have, so does the income increase. So you're already a Champion 100 at $10,000 a month, but that second position that you created, ladies and gentlemen, now that That progresses to champion 70. So now you're at $10,000 a month plus $7,000 a month. And it doesn't stop there, as you can see on the screen. So for those of you who are big marketers and big influencers, you're looking for, some serious six-figure incomes and maybe beyond, you should be able to see that that is possible with this program. So now I want to close with this. I want you to think about a basketball team. All right, so the playoffs are going to start here in about 10 minutes, and we'll be done way before then, because it doesn't take long to explain this, because it's so simple, but yet is so powerful. So, in a basketball team, you've got 5 players. They all have different skills because they have different positions on the court. But here's the thing: no one player can do it all by themselves, ladies and gentlemen. Especially when you start getting to those high levels, they can't do it consistently by themselves. They must work as a team. That's where their strength and that's where their power is. Just like us, ladies and gentlemen, our strength and our power is when we work together in support of one another. There is nothing that we can accomplish. And MyCarClub gives us the opportunity to do just that. We literally work as a team. I do my part, you do your part, but together we get exponential increase, and some amazing things happen for us and our families. That's what this is all about. So now, if you have additional questions or you're ready to get started, get in contact with the person who invited you here, ladies and gentlemen. They'll walk you through the process, show you how to get started, get you plugged in, and we look forward to partnering together and winning together. That's what it's all about. So we're going to conclude the call with that. We're not going to hold you long. It's a Sunday night, but we'll be back again on Tuesday at this very same link at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then again on Thursday. Check with your team leaders, because various teams have their own webinars going. You want to make sure you get plugged in with those and invite your guests there as well. Thank you so much. Everyone have an awesome evening. God bless.